BlackRock is buying Ethereum. Once again, big players are loading big. I'm loading big. Should you start buying Ethereum? It is totally up to you. And maybe after watching this video, I'll help you to decide. But again, nothing in here is a financial advice. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Once again, this is your friend, Plan FOMO. If you like my content, give to the video a thumbs up. And let's jump straight into our charts. And of course, latest news. As already told you, BlackRock, for those who live under the rock, one of the largest asset management firms, has recently made a substantial investment in Ethereum, and they're loading big. Oh boy, they're buying a lot. According to the latest reports all over the X and some other sources, so we can double check it, Binance News are saying that, yeah, according to the trader Daily News that are monitoring BlackRock movements, they're saying that they are buying more Ethereum. Whale Insider, all over the Twitter, there is plenty of tweets that the BlackRock is buying Ethereum, and of course BitGet. According to all this different source of information, they're buying almost $300 million worth of Ethereum right now, 100,000 Ethereum. So this is crazy. And according to this is like a daily time frame. This is our weekly time frame when we were comparing Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the main question is, why the hell Ethereum is not moving? So I wrote it down to all of my reasons that why I'm thinking that Ethereum is not moving right now. So please watch this video till the end, because then you're gonna understand how this specifically this cycle works. So the first reason would be right now Bitcoin is testing, first of all, new all-time high territories, attracting more liquidity in while Ethereum is lagging behind right now. So Bitcoin is attracting more money than Ethereum. When Bitcoin dominance is rising, as we already discussed in our previous video, capital flows, once again, where? Into a Bitcoin first, before altcoins like Ethereum. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum hasn't yet received approval for a spot ETF in the US. BlackRock may have bought Ethereum right now, but Ethereum's ETF decision this whole decision is still pending. So no new money into Ethereum. So it doesn't matter, attract more big players, more big investors. The second one, or should I say the third one, that related a little bit with me. So staking lockups. I'm staking my Ethereum right now. So Ethereum's staking mechanism locks up Ethereum, as you already know, reducing liquidity supply. Many Ethereum investors, or should I say hodlers, have staked their Ethereum right now, meaning there's a less attractive trading volume, active trading volume compared with Bitcoin. The ugliest part, yes, you already know, like a fifth one, or I just lost the count. The ugliest part of the reason, so this is the reason number 5 or 6, whatever, that Ethereum gas fees remains very high, making it less attractive for small investors. And we need those small investors. At least we need that exit liquidity when we're gonna start pumping, you know? So yeah, this is a harsh truth, but yeah, this is like less attractive than Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin institutional adoption right now is faster. Bitcoin is widely accepted as a digital gold right now. As you already know, that's saying that the Bitcoin is our new digital gold. While Ethereum has a lot of competition, still competes with the other smart contract platforms like, Solana, etc. More big players, or should I say hedge funds, are buying Bitcoin first, do that strategy that everyone is going to buy Bitcoin first, then we're going to go to the Ethereum right now. So it is for them, it is lower regulation risk, because you already know no one could stop Bitcoin, but there's a lot of regulations. Ethereum, Solana, etc. So yeah, the digital untouched gold there. So yeah, in general, what I wanted to say that the Bitcoin is more attractive right now. Many traders follows Bitcoin first, Ethereum second as a strategy. So also retail traders are still trying to follow this strategy. Ethereum's fundamentals remain strong right now. And once Bitcoin cools off, again, everyone is expecting that the whole capital is going to start flowing into Ethereum in all of those different altcoins. Historically, Ethereum lags behind Bitcoin, so I saw that there's a lot of tweets on X that historically Ethereum lags behind Bitcoin early in the bull runs, but catches up during later phases. And I can agree and disagree with this, because let's just take a look. Let's just take a look in the past, in the previous bull rally. In my eyes, and you can decide it by yourself right now. Where's my brush tool? everything was perfectly correlated. Or should I take the whole let's just follow my mouse. All right, so everything was perfectly correlated, so I cannot say that, yeah, Ethereum's like, yeah, it perfectly correlates with the Bitcoin actually. So in my opinion, on the weekly time frame where all the juices are on those charts, Ethereum has that perfect correlation together with the Bitcoin. All right, this was our top. Those are two tops on the Ethereum and the Bitcoin. And right now we see a difference between, only right now we see the difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin. I don't know why is my arrow is, I don't know, trading views lagging or whatever, but just follow those horizontal and vertical lines. So everything was perfectly correlated. Everything, in my opinion, was perfectly correlated. So I cannot say that the previous rally, Ethereum was lagging behind Bitcoin. It's like it was pumping and dumping the same as Bitcoin. And all right, historically, Ethereum lags behind Bitcoin when everybody's saying that. So I agree and disagree a little bit, but I'm trying to stay positive. If an Ethereum spot, the last one is that if the spot ETF is going to get approved, and right now the SEC are checking them, wanted to make sure everything is safe and under control, it could trigger a massive institutional inflows. That is what those guys are doing right now. Trump, BlackRock, all of those big players are loading big because they know that should I say that the storm is coming, the massive pump is coming. But let's just take a look where the Ethereum could sit if we're gonna compare with the previous rally when everyone is saying that, yeah, Ethereum has to catch Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, let me just make it more wider, and let's just calculate everything from the, let's just say from the previous bottom. From the previous bottom till its top, Bitcoin experienced over 2,000% rally. Ethereum, on a weekly time frame, from its bottom, from the first one till its second top, experienced almost approximately 7,000% rally. Or, sorry for that, 6,000% rally. So I cannot say that I'm disappointed with Ethereum when it did a phenomenal job, a pretty good job previous rally. So we still, for those who are, let's just say, invested into Ethereum as I did, those early days, I cannot say I don't like Ethereum. It did a pretty good job. It made me way more money than Bitcoin. And you already know from my story that I bought Bitcoin at 9, 8, or if I remember correctly, $12,000 and sold at almost 16 and $64,000. So I made a good trade. I don't care. I'm a swing trader and I want to make money. I don't care about this all hodl thing. Maybe I'm gonna make my decision in the next bear market. But this is not my point. So the first thing is that from the previous bear rally, from the bull market, bear market till its top, Ethereum did a better job than Bitcoin. And right now, let's just calculate this one. From its bottom, from our last bear market till its top, Ethereum increased by 377%. Well, approximately. Bitcoin, on the other hand, experienced a 623%. Well, approximately. I don't know. I cannot be that accurate when I'm trying to point at all of those tops and bottoms on the trading view right now. But yeah, so Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum like twice, like doubles. And what I mean by that Ethereum did a pretty good job and had a great rally in the previous bull rally, and right now it's lagging behind Bitcoin. Okay, so if the whole scenario, but we didn't have that Bitcoin ETF and etc. Big players wasn't that interested in the crypto. Right now, everyone is interested into Bitcoin. But if the Ethereum has, and those big players are loading big, and if the Ethereum is gonna start catching by how many percent? 613. So let's just put this, if we're gonna try to compare with the previous rally when everything was correlated, all right? So the Bitcoin, let me just double check that very quick. All right, from the bottom. All right, so I'm not gonna calculate this one. I'm just gonna do it. So if the Ethereum is gonna make the same amount of rally, and it could do even better even better according to those previous rallies. So almost, let's just say 600%. Ethereum has to sit right now at least at $6,000. I mean, yeah, approximately $6,200. So those big players are know that the potential, the upside of this is huge, and the potential to double their investment is there's a bit better and a bigger probability to double their money than to right now buy Bitcoin. So if the Bitcoin, for example, if you're an investor right now at the all-time highs, yes, that's 99% does this every single time. Every one of you are buying at those all-time highs. Oh, I'm gonna buy Bitcoin at the $100,000, but at this point, I thought that this is dead. So that was your decision. I don't care. So right now, if the Bitcoin wants to double, let's just say 100%, to double your investment, Bitcoin has to sit at approximately more or less $200,000. If you want to double your money from the body of this candle, of the daily candle, if you invested right now at this very moment to double your money, let's just say 100% rally would be Ethereum sitting at $5,600. So I want to ask you, and you can comment down below, what is the better probability? I mean, what is the higher probability to reach, psychologically speaking, to reach 5.5, a little bit more than our previous all-time highs for, let's just say, $600 or $700. So, or to double that market cap on the Bitcoin, to double your investment and reach $200,000. So psychologally, from the $100,000 to $100,000, this is only a psychological aspect. From the $100,000 to $200,000, sorry for that, it is a bigger gap. And it seems a little bit like from the fairy tale, or it's not realistic, psychologically speaking. While the Ethereum, to reach its new all-time highs, it is way more realistic at this point. So a lot of big players are thinking, they're doing their rational thinking, and let's just say like a critical thinking, they're gonna start reinvesting their gains into Ethereum. The number 2 guy, I don't care if you're saying that XRP is gonna flip Ethereum, I don't care. This is like how many years we sit at the number 2 place, at the number 2 spot on the coin market cap. Ethereum is our number 2 guy, so it has to do good this bull rally, or the whole market is wrong. Everything is wrong, and like this is like a totally different bull rally. So I'm making my assumptions right now that I could make and a little bit more safely to double my investment, or even more, or even to make more on Ethereum than on Bitcoin, if I would like to decide to invest. If I'm like, let's just start from the zero. If I would like to start to invest, where should I invest? I have like, I don't know, X amount. Should I invest into a Bitcoin or Ethereum? So in my eyes, in my opinion, and comparing the previous bull rallies and all of those reasons, for me, it is more attractive. I'm attracted more to invest into Ethereum. So this is my decision. These are my assumptions. These are all my reasons. You can make your own decision. Comment down below what do you think about this. And yeah, so these are the main reasons why I'm, like, fundamentally speaking, psychologically speaking, by doing all those technical analysis, I'm seeing that the Ethereum has a solid chance and a high probability to reach new all-time highs, and the nice rally to double my investment, because I loaded big. And of course, yes, I accumulated. I was an Ethereum miner. Right now I'm staking my Ethereum, so I'm all in into Ethereum since, I don't know, 2017 probably. And yeah, so these are my assumptions. And on the 4-hour time frame, let's just take from the retail trader and the retail investor perspective, on a daily time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, what could we expect in the upcoming days? As I told you in my previous video, so for those who watch my previous videos, there will be nothing new. The bullish thing is that we close above this ascending trend line that acts as a support on the daily time frame. I mean, on the 4-hour time frame, on the daily time frame, we can take a look on the bigger picture. Yes, this ascending trend line that works as a support right now holds the price above this, and I'm still bullish. And once again, yes, those let's just say inverse head and shoulder pattern still could play out despite that crash, and we are forming and printing this ascending, let's just say explosive FOMO pattern that after we're gonna break, sorry, where's my brush tool? After we're gonna break this neckline of $4,000, first of all, we have to break this descending trend that acts as a resistance and then rally to retest $4,000. When we're gonna break $4,000, as I already told you, I can promise you that every single one of you, after we're gonna experience that breakout, clean breakout, you're gonna switch from being a bear to a bull. So there's going to be a lot of new investors. There's going to be a lot of retail traders going to start coming into the Ethereum. Oh my God, Ethereum to the moon, probably Ethereum to $10,000 this cycle. So there's going to be a lot of false promises and etc. Right now, according to the money flow indicators, it doesn't matter what at this point what type of indicator you're using, that's to indicate a potential bottom. So from that indicator that I'm using, according to the money flow, we're sitting at those lowest points. We're sitting at the lowest point on the retesting this ascending trend line. We are Ethereum against Bitcoin sitting at those lowest points. So Ethereum, in my eyes, it is a better investment from the profit perspective. I mean, I'm not talking about that I should buy one Bitcoin and never sell because this is the truth, this is like our future. I'm just talking about making money. So from making money, Ethereum, in my opinion, and I believe those guys are already decided, and they're already seen this, that the Bitcoin is has like not that. Where's my? So, I mean, the probability to double your investment is a bigger and psychologically more realistic on Ethereum than on Bitcoin. So that is what I wanted to say. And that is pretty much it. That's a wrap. Comment down below your opinion. And yeah, I'm going to see you in my next one. Peace out.